What if you could talk to your AI and it would literally spin up a team of a specialized agent to solve your problem in a real time while you watch them work on your canvas? That's not a concept, that's not a mock-up. I built it in a 1 week and I'm going to show you everything in next 5 minutes. This is SoloSpace, a multi-AI agent operating system that I built for AI Builders Hackathon. It has three core modes: Smart Agent, Custom Agent, and something completely unique called EchoHouse, a social dynamic simulation. Let me walk through all of them. First, API key. This is where SoloSpace is genuinely different. Most AI tools lock you into one model. SoloSpace supports 20 plus models out of the box. OpenAI, Google Gemini, Anthropic Cloud, open out of Groq, DeepSeek, and even local models Ollama and LM Studios. You pick your provider, select your model. I'll go with GLM 5.1 Cloud. Provide your API key. You can even add backup API keys for automatic failover. So if one key hits a rate limit, it silently rotates to the next. And there's a fallback provider. If your primary fails entirely, SoloSpace automatically reroute to your backup provider. Zero downtime and zero manual intervention. Alright, this is where the magic happens. Smart Auto Mode, the brain of SoloSpace. I am going to take a real prompt right now because this isn't just one AI answering your question. What you are about to see is a whole team of AI agents, each with specific jobs spinning up in real time right in front of you. Every single agent has its own objective, its own system prompt, its own set of rules, and its own rule. They are not copies of each other, they are specialists. They know who depends on who. Now look at this flow section. This is your live execution canvas. Agents are spinning up. You can see them go active right now here. The wires between them, those are dependency edges. Data flows from one agent to the next in the exact order they need it. And here's what I love. You have full control over the canvas. You can attach and detach agents just by dragging edge between nodes. And if you're not happy with how an agent is behaving, click on it right here. You get the full config panel, change the system prompt, rewrite the objective, make it more specific, more aggressive, whatever you need. Smart mode is powerful, but what if you want your full control? That's custom agent mode. Switch to custom, type your prompt, SoloSpace will generate agent, user will modify them and click proceed. I'm dropping a real prompt right now in custom mode. Give me detailed prompt to build an e-commerce website for clothing. That's it. I hit send. Now look at the canvas. AI generated the agent. First one is UI UX architect, backend engineer, front-end engineer, database engineer, payment engineer. We can edit each agent. And here's the thing nobody talks about. What if the output isn't exactly what you wanted? You don't restart. You don't reprompt from scratch. You just click the agent, rewrite its instruction, hit proceed again. Same team, new instruction, new output. This is the difference between using AI and directing AI. We can see on thinking agents are running now, and this is something most tools will never show you. And there it is, a fully detailed structure result. Not a generic answer, a precise expert level output built by 5 specialists who knew exactly what they were responsible for. Now this is the one that's completely unlike anything else out there. Sometimes the hardest problems are not technical, they are human. Your manager dismissing your ideas, family conflict, a relationship that you can't figure out. EchoHouse will stimulate those conversations with AI. I'll write problem. I lost my job because I'm not good at using AI tools. And hit enter. The AI generates the cast of people in your life involved in this situation, their name, their role, and what they think and feel about you. You can edit every cast member, remove people, and add one manually. The canvas populates. Each person is a node. You configure simulation setting 1 to 5 rounds, tone, realistic, compassionate, and confrontational, and hit proceed. Watch the chat. Each person speaks in turn authentically with defensiveness, blind spots, emotions. The AI embodies them completely. After all rounds, a therapeutic insight synthesis appear, identifying each person emotion needs, toxic patterns, and actionable steps for the user. After that, user will get the insight and solution about their problem. For EchoHouse custom agent mode, you go straight to the canvas and build your own cast manually, and each person yourself write exactly what they think. Control your every detail before stimulating. Perfect when you already know the people involved and want to script the dynamics precisely. Now I'll give the name, role, and situation to the AI person agent. Again, each person speaks in turn authentically with defensive blind spot and emotions. So here's what SoloSpace is. It's a multi-agent AI OS for users who want more than a chatbot. It's a social dynamic simulator for anyone navigating difficult human situations. And it proves that with right tools and week of focus building, you can shape something that actually matters. And if you are a judge watching this, I didn't build a product, I built a platform. The agent, the EchoHouse feature, the provider system, every piece is designed to grow. This is just the beginning. I am a SoloSpace. Let's go.